according to the announcement made by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell on 21st April 2025 at 9:47 a.m. Vatican time, His Holiness Pope Francis passed away at 7:35 a.m. Vatican time, which corresponds to 11:05 a.m. Indian time, at his residence at Domus Sanctae Martyr, Vatican City. The cause of death has been declared as stroke, and irreversible cardiovascular collapse. The ceremony of certification of the death of Pope Francis was conducted by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the Camerlengo of the Holy Roman Church. Today, Wednesday, 23rd April 2025 at 9 a.m. Vatican time corresponds to 12:30 Indian time, after the moment of prayer presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the coffin with the deceased Roman Pontiff Francis will be carried from the chapel of the Domus Sanctae Martyr to the Papal Basilica of St. Peter, in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices, number 41 to 65. At the altar of the Confessio, the Cardinal Camerlengo will preside over the liturgy of the word, at the end of which the visits to the body of the Roman Pontiff will begin. On Saturday, 26 April this year, at 10 a.m., first day of the Novendiali, the traditional 9-day period of mourning and prayer, held following the death of a pope, on the Parvis of St. Peter's Basilica, the funeral mass of the Roman Pontiff Francis will be held in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices, number 82 to 109.